Yo, what is good, guys? Today is trade recap for the 14th of October 2025, and today I took one cheeky little trade, and I am up 240 bucks. 240. A win's a win. A win's a win. I did severely de-risk today because of. I'll get into it in a bit, but going into the day, we had this massive sell-off on last Friday because of the Trump's tariff threats on Twitter and on X, I should say, on X because of Trump's tariff threats on X. And basically, what I saw is that we sold off on Friday like 1.2k points, and then we had a rebalance of this range on Monday. So look, what I wanted to see is us tap into this new week opening gap, and to be precise, this gap right here. This gap right here. Because it's like the most precise, like, the most empty, like, gap, let's say. Like, this whole thing's a gap, but this is like the emptiest gap. You know what I mean? There's not a candle there at all. So, yeah, so let's go into the. Let's stay on the 50-minute. Let's skip a bit to market open. Yeah, alright, so there. Yeah, okay. I skipped past the trade, but basically what I saw is, London, we made these highs here, these highs, engineered liquidity on, and London highs were still intact. And I'm pretty sure we had a. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. Alright. Pretty. So, no, what? Alright. So, yeah, we tapped into this gap here. What would have made this even better if there's an SMT, but that's the reason I de-risked, because there was no SMT and Powell was speaking. So once we tapped into this and I saw the bodies respecting it, respecting like the equilibrium of this gap, scaled down onto the 2 minute and saw quite a clear manipulation leg. I can't, you can just tell like this is manipulation, bro. Like, bang. Oh wait, what? I'm doing it wrong. Standard deviation. Standard deviation lined up nearly perfectly with London highs, and basically you can tell this manipulation. On the first leg we just tapped the gap, and on the second one we filled the whole gap, and then we have a reversal. So I entered once we had the 2 minute change in the state here. We had a little 3 minute inverse, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there it is. It's little, but it's still an inverse. Bang, and I entered on this retrace here to this gap here. My stop was below this little order block, and my target was obviously here. So yeah, this was the trade. This was the trade. And yeah, honestly, really tired. So that is the trade. Really can't be asked too much, explaining it too much. Just short, snappy, simple. I saw many other traders take this trade, but yeah, it was really nice. I can't lie. Alright, see you guys.